What if I told you that your WordPress website could be getting flooded with spam comments, but there's a simple way to fix this and disable comments completely. So now how do we permanently disable comments? Well, the first way is to directly edit the website code. So to do that, we're going to go to Appearance and then go down to the theme file editor. Now in some WordPress themes, this option might be in another menu, possibly tools or somewhere else. So if it's not in this appearance menu, just check some of these other ones, but usually it's in appearance and it's going to be theme file editor. So let's click on that. So again, we're here in the theme file editor and we need to locate this functions.php menu. So let's click on that. Once we're here, scroll all the way to the bottom and we're going to add a piece of code to the very end of this. Now I've got the code for you right here. I will link this down in the description below. So we're going to copy this and then simply paste it at the very end and then click update file and it says file edited successfully. So let's go back to our website here and let's refresh the page. Now when we go to the bottom, there are no comments. Very good. This is great. That was super easy. Now clearly this way totally works, but if for some reason you don't want to edit your website code, I'll show you another way using a free plugin. So first, let me delete this and update. And that will bring us back to the original settings where it allows comments. So just checking again, I refreshed it. Okay, now the comments are back. So let me show you how to get rid of these using a plugin. Let's come back to the dashboard here and go to plugins. And then at the top, go to add plugin. Okay, we're going to search here for disable comments. And right here, you'll see this plugin, disable comments, and you can see it's been installed on over 1 million WordPress websites. So let's click install now and then click activate. And then you can see it's activated here. And if you want to access the settings, just come down to tools and then delete comments. And here's where you can configure all the settings exactly how you'd like. And I'm going to select this one, delete comments everywhere, permanently delete all comments on my WordPress website. You could also do it by certain types of posts or certain comments, or just comments that are spam comments. So first I'm going to do this one to delete all the existing comments. And then I'll come up here to disable comments and I'm going to select disable comments everywhere because I don't want any comments anywhere on this website, and then I'll click save changes. And now when I go back to my website on the front end, you can see the comments were there. And now when I scroll down, there's no more comments. It was as easy as that. So those are 2 ways to disable comments across your WordPress website. Thank you again for watching. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you in the next one.